Hello, sir. My name is Jonesweb3, registration number is UR14CS156. And now I'm going to display the third lab experiment of the vector technology labs. In this lab experiment, we are expected to first create a header containing the heading. Then there are various menu items. Navigation bar we are creating, and below that we are having an image. And we are doing this with the help of CSS commands. Okay, then again we are displaying an image like this. Then we are supposed to display some links in this thing, and again we are you know showing some sections, and then finally the footer. Okay, so first we are going to see how we did the heading. So heading, just we gave under header we gave h1. So I have given my heading, but that is not enough, so we are changing the text color. Aligning the text to the center, and the background color also we are changing for the header. That solves the headers problem. Now we are going to see the navigation bar. So navigation bar is done using the unordered list. Unordered list and the list items. So unordered list usually comes with bullets, and list items you are usually displayed in order. To remove that, okay, so to remove its regular property, what we are doing, we are you know displaying it as inline block instead of a regular thing. We are displaying it as inline block, so that will display the list items in this format. Okay, so we are adding the text into center by changing the background color. We are changing the padding. We are keeping the required amount of padding in the list element. We have to give inline block, so or this thing will look like this one. Okay, so now the question they have asked us to give this as links. So if we give any link, the link will definitely by default come in underlined. The link will be underlined. Okay, so what we have to do to remove that, we are using the code text decoration none. So this will remove the underline. So this is how it will look. So that's it. So again, what we have done for the navigation bar, they have asked us to when we hover the mouse over the navigation bar, the color of the thing should change, background color and text color should change. So see, the background color and text color has changed when we hover. So for that we have used the hovers pseudo class. So if you using the use of the pseudo classes, whenever we hover the mouse, whatever should be done can be given inside the CSS command. Okay, now for image, for inserting any image, we have given the width as 100% and the height as 380 pixel. So see, both my images the height is 380 pixel, but the width, it is taking the full width of the thing. So I'll show the HTML part. See here, so I have inserted an image here. Okay, that is this image, banner image. Then for creating this thing, I have created three classes, three divisions with class names as IMGs. Okay, so IMGs, so that I could apply the same property to the three things. So now I have given three images, and I have given a link. Okay, href equal to link, a link to the top of the browser as a text over this file. Okay, I have just given the HTML file for all three things, given the similar thing. But the CSS command, what you have to do is, see here, the .imgs. So whenever there is a CSS class, whenever there is a class, it should be represented in CSS command through dot. Okay, so dot is the keyword. So I am representing a class here, so which is 30%. Okay, or whatever. So I am giving margin here. Okay, so margin 2% means margin draws 2% of the screen. Okay, now I'm floating it towards the left so that everything comes and surrounds this thing. So position is relative. This point is very important. Since I'm positioning the image as relative, what will happen is this class, so my position is relative, so anything can come above it. So that's the use of positioning. So when hover class, again we are using, so whenever we hover something, I am setting the opacity to 0.8. You could see that, see, it's now bright, but when I hover, opacity is down, and I am changing the background color also. Okay, so that solves this problem. Then Okay, the h3 tag inside we gave, right? So for that, we are for creating this box, we are doing a we are changing the background color to black, opacity to 0.5, padding we are changing the padding, so see 20 20 0 0, text aligner we are giving in the center, both the margins bottom and margin we are setting it as 0, width is 100%. So since the width is 100%, it will take the entire div block. Okay, similarly we are doing for every three things. So this when this is repeated, what will happen? Just the same properties apply to three different images. Okay, so the anchor tag, similarly I told, right, the underline, this is an anchor. If you click it, it will go here. So to remove the underline thing, you have to give a text definition as well, and we are changing the color. Okay, color of the text also to gray color or whatever color desired. Okay, section. The section part, see this is the section part. Okay, so what I'll show the question first. So section, inside the section part we are just giving a heading and a paragraph. Here also heading and a paragraph. Okay, so inside the section part what will you, so we are setting the width to a desired width, margin we are setting, background color, so the background color is this color. Okay, so floating left, so if we float left, the remaining things will be adjusted around it. Okay, so the padding we are giving it to 1%. Okay, see the padding, see it's 1%, and the color of the text is white. Okay, so that's it. Similarly, so this same thing applies for this thing also. At the end, finally the footer. Okay, so that is the address. So a footer text align is centered. Okay, so the address is placed in the center, color I have given it as white, background color is this thing. Okay, this color, then the bottom I have given it as 0 pixel, so bottom, so the bottom border alone is brown for this thing. That's all. So the header and the footer. Okay, inside the footer, these are h2 and h4. So this solves the which header. So for the h2 alone I have given the border thing. Okay, that's why we are getting what answer under the address, we are getting an underline. So how we are getting it? h2 we are drawing a border bottom, so solid, since it is solid it's visible. Okay, white color line, that's it. So that's the experiment number 3. Thank you, sir. My name is Joseph Jones SW. Research number is UR14CS156. Thank you.